Hello heroes, DJI Drone Giant has just launched its first action camera, posing a challenge to the market leader GoPro. It matches the Hero 7 Black in almost every specification, while offering a few completely unique features. And anything that GoPro does now may almost seem like a DJI can do that too. As a result, DJI might put GoPro under pressure ahead of its next product cycle. Let's find out why DJI will dominate the consumer market for action cameras as well as for drones. The most valuable things are image sensor and lens. As we can see, Osmo Action uses Sony IMX377 1x2.3-inch 12-megapixel image sensor. We made the video about 5 best action cameras, and the size of their image sensor is similar. It affects the quality of an image. The lens has a f/2.8 aperture that captures with a 145-degree field of view. Moreover, it features 3 aspherical layers that effectively reduces glare and distortion, delivering a crystal clear image, even in direct sunlight. The next are video features. Just like the Hero 7 Black, the Osmo Action is capable of shooting 4K at 60 frames per second and 1080p at 240 frames per second. It allows for 8x slow motion capture and has time-lapse shooting mode. In addition, you can shoot 4K HDR video, a helpful feature when shooting in high contrast light. Finally, the highest quality is reached by recording up to 100 megabytes per second. Let's talk about photo features. The maximum photo size is 4000 by 3000 pixels. The camera has raw photo and portrait modes. I have to say that photos are clean in good lighting conditions, but can be pretty grainy in low light. Osmo Action has special features. The camera uses electronic stabilization, referred to as Rocksteady. DJI has years of experience in video stabilization, so we expect it to be pretty good on the Osmo Action. The GoPro seems to use the same technology to stabilize the footage. DJI wisely made the front-facing display a key feature that's both easy to use and extremely handy while shooting selfie videos. Instead of having to open an app, you can actually glance down and check your framing on the camera's front-facing screen. DJI also offers several lens filters, including ND polarizer and underwater filters that screw onto the camera body. This camera is native waterproof and has voice control. Price and availability. The Osmo Action will be available on May the 22nd. For $349. That is $50 below the cost of the Hero 7 Black. The good news is that most of your GoPro accessories will work with the Osmo Action, so existing GoPro users don't have to buy into a whole new accessory ecosystem to enjoy the cam. Is it worth $349 to buy it to unleash your other side? I hope you find this video helpful. What do you think? Does it offer enough for you to consider it over a GoPro? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe How to GoPro for more great videos just like this one. See you soon.